Hello, blog readers. I'm here with Jerry Maatman of Seyfarth Shaw to discuss the ongoing hearings of Judge Neil Gorsuch and what that means for employers.
Good morning. The ongoing hearings demonstrate what a difference one person can make. The balance of the Supreme Court will be impacted by whoever is nominated. Democrats and Republicans alike recognize the critical balance in the Supreme Court and how selection of Judge Gorsuch, should he be confirmed, will impact the Supreme Court for years to come. One case that employers are watching with bated breath is the fate of workplace arbitration agreements and the arguments to be held in October of 2017 in the Epic Systems, Murphy Oil, and E&Y cases about the legality of workplace arbitration agreements. And I think some of the comments of the senators that are questioning Judge Gorsuch go to that issue and how that balance may or may not be impacted by his elevation to the Supreme Court.
I've been hearing a lot about the frozen trucker case. How does that impact what's going on?
Yesterday's hearing, Senator Franken from Minnesota questioned the nominee about his dissent in the so-called frozen trucker case. It was a Department of Labor review of the termination of a worker who had abandoned a truck on a frozen highway, and Judge Gorsuch had dissented and upheld, or would have upheld, the determination by the employer. And what the case illustrates is his view or his approach to interpretation of statutes and his proclivity to draw and read from statutes very narrowly rather than to expand upon them. And it demonstrates the kind of yin-yang or difference between Democrats and Republicans, or liberals and conservatives, in viewing how statutes ought to be interpreted in terms of their impact on workers and employers.
Well, Jerry, what is your prediction on what will occur?
Well, the Senate should wrap up its hearings this week, and there will be a vote, and I think he'll be voted out of committee. But Judge Gorsuch needs 60 votes in the Senate to be confirmed. There are 52 Republican senators as a result of the recent elections. So 8 Democrats need to be swayed to vote in his favor. I think that will occur. I think the vote will be narrow, but I think he will be confirmed and take his place on the bench on the Supreme Court within the next few months.
That's very interesting. Blog readers will have to stay tuned to our blog to figure out what happens and what that means for employers. Thank you so much, Jerry.
Thank you.